How to get refund on CNfans. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can get refund or CNfans and also request a refund on CNfans. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, we have to request for the refund. For that, log in into your CNfans account. Once you're on your home, please navigate to your account center by tapping on the account icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your account page, tap on the orders. That's gonna take you to the order section. There you have to locate your relevant order and then tap on contact to submit a refund request. Then provide all of the necessary details such as your order number, reasons for the refund, and any other supporting document that may be the damaged photos or incorrect items. So once you send the request for the refund, there are various order status consideration. If the item has not been purchased yet, cancelling the order will result in a refund to your CNfans account balance within 1 working days. And if the seller has not received your item, then the CNfans will request a refund from the seller. And upon the confirmation, the amount will be refunded to your CNfans account balance within 3 days. But if the item has been in the warehouse for over 5 days, then a CNfans can return from a seller. Approval is not guaranteed, but if approved, the process typically takes 7 to 15 days. Then once the funds are returned to your CNfans account balance, you can request a withdrawal to your original payment method via the wallet or the account balance section, and which will take up to 2 to 3 working days. So in this way, you can request for the refund to in CNfans and then get a refund. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.